Hello, social workers of the world. It's my great pleasure to address you on World Social Work Day, which we are all celebrating together on March 15th, 2016. I am sure that all of you would have thought of what you're going to organize in your own organizations, in your colleges, in your universities. The theme being that we want to promote dignity of people around the world. We are extremely concerned about the refugee crisis, uh, which is a long-standing problem, and it has been affecting all our countries. We have movements from the African region, Asia, into Europe, and also with the increasing wars and conflict and civil strife in several of the countries, people are being forced out of their homes. They are being forced out of their roots, and they are moving at great risk to their lives into better places, into what they believe are better places, into the developed countries where they believe and they hope that they will find a better life. But it is not easy, it is a challenge, and the European Union countries are still discussing how to deal with the situation, and we continue to have this struggle going on, and social work has a very important role to play in this. Social workers are working along with international and national organizations to help the refugees in different ways, to get relief for the people, especially for children, for women, and to provide support so that their transition is smoother. Also working with the governments so that they can accept this kind of shifting of populations and make life easier for these new people in the new worlds. So I do hope that we all, social workers, will globally look at this issue, study this issue more in depth, work with the people, and see how we can sort of help them to come out of their vulnerability. So, friends, I have my other colleagues who will also give you messages. We are here in the Peking University. We are celebrating, the launch of the Regional Resource Center of the International Association of Schools of Social Work, which has been set up in collaboration with the Peking University and the Polytechnic in Hong Kong. And we are looking forward to this Regional Resource Center reaching out and strengthening social work education in the region, in the ASEAN region, in Greater China, and in South Asia. So I will invite my friends here, my colleagues here. We have Carol, who would like to say a few words and address you.
Thanks so much, Vilma. Such a pleasure to be here. My name is Carol Cohen. I'm from Adelphi University in the United States, and it's such a privilege to be part of this conference and getting ready for Social Work Day around the world. In New York, as you may know, we'll be celebrating Social Work Day a little bit late on April 4th, and we encourage all people to really come in solidarity with us then. But I'm really struck by how social workers have always focused on the dignity and worth of human beings around the world. And now with the crisis and migration and so on, we need to remember that we always have worked with these processes. In the United States, almost all of us were immigrants at one point. And social work from the very beginning has helped individuals and families to make these transitions in their new countries and their new worlds and communities. and to work with groups of folks who have come together and find out from them what they are most interested in, and working with them in solidarity to accomplish their goals together. And of course, not to neglect working on the national and international levels to change the policies and advocate for true change and true inclusion. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Carol. We have Sue Lawrence from UK.
My greetings on World Social Work Day. It's a great privilege to be here with Vimla and my other colleagues in Beijing to celebrate the opening of the new Social Work Resource Centre in the region, and to participate in the conference here on families in transition. I would like to salute the efforts of all of the social workers, informal social workers and volunteers who are assisting with the migration crisis in Europe. I think their efforts are to be saluted and commended, and I would ask all social workers in Europe to take the challenge of maintaining the dignity and respect of those migrants, those brave migrants who are fleeing such awful situations in Asia and in Africa. And I would challenge all social workers to come together and try to assist in helping those migrants to settle and to integrate within the local communities, and to encourage governments to be much more welcoming within Europe. I wish you all a very successful World Social Work Day, and hope that messages of dignity and respect will flow from our celebrations.
Thank you